Gift ideas under $5. So we have this beautiful photo frame that acts as like some wall art. Oh, that is so pretty. So I guess they're gonna show us all of these DIYs. I'm not entirely sure. We have some little butterflies here. Frame. It looks like they are adding in some wire for some texture and then putting on those butterflies. This is actually a pretty easy project, and aesthetically, you guys already know I love gold, so very aesthetic project to try out. And I'm assuming that this person is just gonna go ahead and spray paint this all gold. Yep. Yeah, very, very, very easy. Wow. Such a stunning piece. And you could actually put a photo in there if you wanted to, just saying. I kind of like it not having a photo in there though. Actually, you know what, you couldn't because the butterflies would be in the way, so never mind. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Children Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to head to TikTok, check out some DIY project ideas, and react to them. So here we have someone making a very simple candle holder. Now that's easy. You buy the beads, you wrap it around the little glass or whatever it is that you want to use. Candle holder container already, pre-made, and then once again just spray painted gold. So another easy, nice gold project idea. Making a mental note. So here we have someone. Are those clothespins? So they have a pot. Obviously that is the finished product there in the back. Yeah, those are definitely clothespins. Huh, wow. You know what? This is really clever. She used the legs as like for stand. Wow, this is really, she used a couple for legs. Wow, that is really cool. It's definitely like artsy and something different too. Like you don't see that every day. All right, so the next project is gonna feature some twine, some bottles, these little wooden sticks. So they place the sticks around the bottle here. And then they added the twine. This is kind of like a nice, like outdoorsy kind of vase, I think, that they're creating. Not entirely sure, but that's what it looks like so far. Oh, they did a couple of different variations here. Very nice. That's what's great about like doing your own DIYs, is that you can put your own twist and spin on them, do them how you want. And this particular person definitely has a green thumb. Very cool. I love the natural elements and just bringing it into the home. So relaxing. Painted floors. So it looks like they're gonna paint their bathroom floors. I've actually seen this before, and my thing is with this particular project, how long does it last? Like, That's what I want to know. How long does it last? So they took the baseboards up, cleaned the tile down, and then they're going in with the paint. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I would be terrified to try this project out. I mean, in theory, it seems like it might actually work, but then at the same time, it just seems like a really bad idea. I don't know, what do you guys think? So they did one coat, let it dry, and then went back and did a second one. I guess she just looked at those floors one day and was like, I'm tired of this. I'm painting them. And then she ended up using a stencil over that. This is actually cheaper than it would be like if you got the peel and stick tile from like Amazon. It can get pretty pricey depending on how big the space is. So painting it and then doing like a stencil would save you some money. But I don't know, I would be like, I'm still skeptical about this. I know I've seen it on TikTok, but I am definitely skeptical. It does look pretty though. I hate ripping up the paint tip. The painter's tape. What am I talking about? I hate ripping up the painter's tape simply because I feel like it exposes the areas that need more attention. This came out good though. I don't know. Like I said, I'm very skeptical about how long this would actually last. I don't know. I'm on the fence about it. It does look better than it did before though, like 10 times better. And then we have a bunch of bottles here. Now, obviously, they're getting ready to repurpose these. Oh, they just did a nice... There's a lot of gold decor in this video. That was not planned. A lot of gold decor pieces in today's video. I'm not mad at it though. You guys know how I feel about gold, so that was a nice little surprise. Oh, I love the gold and the white. That is so pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.